gar day 4. I just made cast number 1. My bobber's in the water. It is 6:10 a.m. right now. I have about until 8:15 until I have to get back to take my girlfriend to work. So hopefully between now and then my bobber goes under and I get a gar, or a nice catfish would be good too. So hopefully something takes it and I get on my first gar. Alright, this is gar day 4, cast number 1. And it's a perfect cast where I wanted it. It's a good sign. I'm not starting off messing up. Hopefully a turtle doesn't get it. The goal today is to catch a gar, not a turtle. Oh, what is... No way. There's a crappie hanging around all these gar. Decent sized crappie too if I can get him. Oh. Wow, this is my personal best crappie. What? Man. I was throwing around my ultralight, waiting for the bobber to go under. I just caught my personal best crappie. Look how fat this thing is. Let me get a weight. .62 crappie. Let this guy go. Oh, no, I'm fishing. Oh no, go for it. Go for it. Yeah, I think I'm trying to wait for a guy to get it. I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait though.
I know. Looks like he got it. I don't see that bobber. Something got it for sure. Give it a quick pop.
Oh.
He had it. I saw him pulling it.
Yeah.
Might have been a bluegill.
Oh, I did it. I did it. Oh, oh my gosh. How long? Oh. I smacked in the head with that bluegill. Oh my gosh. I finally did it. Oh man. First gar of my life. 4 days in, got my personal best crappie, and I got this gar. He's not even hooked. Looks like the line just wrapped him around his mouth. Whew. Oh man, 4 days of my life spent trying to do the same thing over and over. It feels feels great to finally get one. Although it's not in the traditional way, the hook was not in his mouth, I still caught it. That line wrapped him around his mouth and I was able to reel him in. So I count it. I'm gonna call it a day. It is 7:02 a.m. right now. So I'm gonna get home a little bit early. I'll probably try to edit this if I have it out soon, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys are having a great week. Thanks for watching and all the support. Tight line, subscribe if you haven't. gosh. How long?